Take your mark.
You are witnessing meet number 3.
Please clear the field.
200-meter freestyle ABC boys 11 and over. Swimming in lane number 1 is series 1 Miguel. Lane 2 is Sabito Xavier of the Rosing Tigers. And lane 3 is Braga Francis of Mayon Swim Club. Lane 4 is Alforte Cabin of Naga City Swimming Champions. Lane 5 is Barsaga Nubel of Naga City Swimming Champions. Lane number 6 is Boticario Elijah of the Colon Magayon. Lane number 7 is Nuarino Simeon of Mayon Swim Club. And lane number 8 is Velasca Gia of Albay Blue Marlins.
Last call for Marcelo Camila of Velasquez. Marcelo. Marcelo Camila ang kamot.
Parang yung kay ano? Si Drago. 311. Hindi ako. Pero ako time. 327. Yun.
Bawal daw po dito. Bawal daw po dito. Bawal mahali na pala. Ayaw mo sa table na parang
Talon sa Lisana natin. Isipira na
kasi nagtaon lang sa tulak lang.
Kulang da, doble ang ano, pangutlo, pilit na.
last call to Marcelo Camila of Velasquez. PA.
Masarap naman nila pwede mong salita. Ayaw pa pa na.
On deck are swimmers of heat number 10. 200-meter freestyle ABC boys 11 and over.
Baba oras ni Kevin ah.
Ramones Spring Anchor. Ramones Spring Anchor.
At tumatatakot.
Hindi ka pa natakot.
Go, Owen! Sprinter kayo si Owen. Wow.